sweating a lot. Okay, as you can see Cuban crocodile right there opening his mouth. Can you see it? Sorry, we can't zoom.
You can see it's right there.
Okay, Cuban crocodiles. Adult Cuban crocodiles generally do not exceed 10.5 feet. They have the smallest range of any crocodile and can only be found in Cuba, the Zapata swamp and the Lanier swamp. In the wild, they tend to eat fish, turtles, and small mammals. At the zoo, they are fed rabbits and occasionally fish.
Rabbits?
Yeah. The breeding season generally begins in May and lasts for 3 to 4 months. The average eggs produced in average is 30 to 40 eggs. Their lifespan, they can live for about 50 to 75 years.
Cool.
Okay, why it's endangered? It is endangered because humans have extremely hunted them and have largely intruded upon their habitats. They are also endangered because they have such a small restricted distribution. They are also hunted for their skin. That's why they're sort of decreasing. Interesting fact. In the past, 15-foot Cuban crocodiles have been found, but are very rare.
What? Did you just say?
In the past, there have been 15-foot Cuban crocodiles, but they're very rare.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Recording?
It's recording.
Okay. The niche of the radiated tortoise. Oh, fine. Okay. Radiated tortoises can be found naturally only in the extreme southern and southwestern regions of Madagascar, in the tropical rainforest.
Oh, those guys are
Specifically,
cool
they live in dry thorn forests and tropical woodlands. These tortoises are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses, fruits, and plants. One of their favorites in the wild is the Opuntia cactus. No, Opuntia cactus. The female tortoises can lay anywhere from 3 to 12 eggs in a pre-excavated hole 6 to 8 inches deep. After they lay eggs, they leave. The incubation period is quite long for these species, usually lasting anywhere between 5 and 8 months. Humans are the only serious predator to radiated tortoises, but scavengers like raccoons will also eat the eggs if they find them. Oh my gosh, get the close-up of the turtle's face. Okay, let's talk about why they're endangered. Okay, there are a lot of reasons why radiated tortoises are on the critically endangered list. These turtles, wait, okay, just blank that for now. Okay, these turtles continue to lose more and more habitat as the rainforests in Madagascar are logged for farming. Exploitation in the pet trade also plays a big role. Despite the fact that the site's list specifically prohibits the import and export of these species for purposes other than trying to conserve them, poor economic conditions in Madagascar mean that these laws are largely ignored. Radiated tortoises are also illegally hunted for meat and eggs. Interesting facts. Did you know that the shell of the radiated tortoise has blood vessels and nerves? So like some other tortoises, radiated tortoises can feel it when they're touched. Also, did you know that when a radiated tortoise is caught by a predator, they emit high-pitched cries for up to an hour after capture? This loud noise would startle the predator and the predator would probably give up.
I don't like that. Look at this here.
Is that it?
Yeah, what you talking about? Okay, ringtail lemurs are different from other lemur species in that most other species are arboreal, meaning they live primarily in trees. Ringtail lemurs use the ground more... Can they be quiet? They use the ground more frequently than any other lemur species. They use their long legs to swing through the trees, but unlike other primates, they cannot grip with their tails. Instead, they use them primarily for balance. Lemurs can be found naturally only on Madagascar. They live specifically in the dry, spiny deserts in the southwestern portion. Lemurs are generally herbivores, eating fruit, which makes up the greatest part of their diet, and also leaves, tree bark, sap, and flowers. However, they will occasionally eat a bird egg, insect, or a small mammal. Ring-tailed lemurs have very powerful scent glands, and it plays a big part in mating. During mating season, males will cover their tails with secretions and battle for females by trying to outstink the other males. The smelliest male is deemed the most powerful. Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
The gestation period is about 135 days. Usually, only one offspring is born, but an occasional set of twins or even triplets is not unheard of.
Oh, there's one in this tree.
Lemurs live in groups called troops, and an entire troop will help care for the young. Troops have an average of 17 lemurs, but can have up to 30. Both sexes live in the group, but all the groups have the dominant female. Okay, so why they're endangered? The main reason why ring-tailed lemurs are endangered is because of habitat loss from deforestation of the already sparse forest where most live. Lemurs are also hunted and trapped for pet trade and food.
Right there.
Oh, you getting it? You can see its tail. Okay. Did you know that lemurs will carry their babies in their mouths until they're able to cling to their fur on the mother's stomach or back?
That's so cute.
Also, did you know that lemurs' behavior are very similar to that of a house cat? They enjoy sunbathing and purr and mew like cats do.
Oh, interesting.
Very.
This is like at the zoo, so I have to back away to get your face. Oh, hey, Jess.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yes.
We just finished eating,
I'm tired.
and we are tired and full. We are going to Amazonia right now. Ugh.